I'm gonna run these last few and we're out of here.
Run a couple more to that 22.
How the hell did you lose that second cap anyways, man? How'd that happen?
Coming down 75, I hit a fucking piece of tire in the middle of the road, and I think it called it.
Yeah, that's either ammo or mag or both. You got cheap.
Probably using.
Yeah, running the 9 is
Some things you can't be cheap on.
yeah, some things you can't be cheap on. Straight up.
That's for sure, yeah.
See a lot of people go expensive gun, cheap out.
That fucker's loud.
I'm not getting lock back. This one doesn't not locking back.
You've got too much in there. Get it out.
Tell me that one, Lloyd. Nope. Nice.
And the guy that. I love this little thing, man.